Welcome to KEY360 How to Log In training video. Once you've been allocated to a project, the KEY360 administrator will create your KEY360 user account. You will receive a KEY360 email notification with your system-generated password. Let's open the email. Your password is shown in item 1. Please note that the system-generated code is only valid for 8 hours. Once the 8 hours have expired, you can request a new password, which will be explained in more detail later in the video. We can install KEY360 by clicking on the link provided in item 3. Download KEY360 Desktop. Your web browser will open. Click on the Install button and follow all the prompts to install. After installation, the KEY360 icon will appear on your desktop. Double-click on the KEY360 icon. The following window will pop up. Fill in your email address if it isn't already there, and fill in the password generated from your email. The system-generated code is only valid for 8 hours. If you are trying to log in after the 8 hours, click on Pending Activation to resend a new generated password. If your password does not work, you might not be activated. Please confirm activation with your KEY360 administrator. Once your password has been entered correctly, press Login. A new password window will pop up. This will prompt you to create your own personalized password. Please note that we can create password profiles with certain restrictions. For example, your password must have an uppercase, lowercase, special characters, or contain a certain length. Password expiry dates can also be set. For example, the password should be changed monthly. Let's type in our system-generated password in the old password and create our new password. And retype it. And press OK. Make sure that your repeated password matches the password in new password. Your password has been updated successfully. Press OK. Our end user license agreement will pop up. Please ensure that you read this and agree with it, and then press Agree. Then our KEY360 homepage will pop up. This is where you can read more about KEY360 management systems. Let's minimize this. A note on forgetting your password. If you forget your password, there is an option to resend your password to your email. Go back to the login portal and click on the white envelope next to the password section. This will send an email with your password. A note on launcher connection failure. When connection cannot be established, when the user is trying to log in, a connection failure pop-up will come up on the launcher. Click on Retry. Once the connection has successfully been established, try login again. Thank you for watching this KEY360 How to Log In training video.